Welcome back students. In basic mathematics course, this session we discuss algebra of matrices, scalar multiplication, equality of matrices, addition of matrices, subtraction of matrices and multiplication of matrices. One by one we will discuss. First one, scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication. In matrices, scalar multiplication is very important. For example, if A equal to 2, 3, 4, 6, find twice A. Find twice A. Therefore, twice A equal to 2 multiply A. What is the value of A? 2, 3, 4, 6. म्हणजेच काय करायचं स्केलर मल्टिप्लिकेशन मध्ये तुम्हाला 2A विचारू शकतात, 3B विचारू शकतात, 4B विचारू शकतात. इट मे बी एनीथिंग. मल्टिप्लाय 2. या दोनला काय करायचं, या सर्व एलिमेंट्सला मल्टिप्लाय करायचं. 4 6 8 12. 4 6 8 12. Like this. This is a scalar multiplication. Second example. Next, second example बघा. If A equal to 3 minus 2 4 6 3 2, find 3A. Therefore 3A equal to directly लिहायचं 3 multiply A. What is the value of this? 3 minus 2 4 6 3 2 6 3 2. मल्टिप्लाय 3 या 3 काय करायचं, ऑल एलिमेंट्स मल्टिप्लाय करायचं. 9 minus 6 12 18 9 6. In scalar multiplication, order is not compulsory. Order is not compulsory. Any order मध्ये मल्टिप्लाय करू शकता. Second, equality of matrices. Equality of matrices. There are two matrices are equal. Equality of matrices. Here, order is always same. Here, order is always same. Equality of matrices मध्ये काय पाहिजे, ऑर्डर ही कंपल्सरी सेम पाहिजे, तरच आपण बाय युजिंग इक्वालिटी ऑफ मॅट्रिसेस करू शकतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, इफ A इक्वल टू x y z 5, B equal to 3 1 4 5, then A equal to B, find x y z. Therefore A equal to B, here is A, x y z 5 3 1 4 5. Here is order 2, here is order 2 by 2, here is order 2 by 2, here is order 2 by 2. By equality of matrix, by equality of matrices, therefore x is equal to 3, y is equal to 1, z is equal to 4. Corresponding element equal to corresponding element, corresponding element equal to corresponding element. In equality of matrices, order is same. Both matrices, दोन्ही matrices order कशी पाहिजे, same पाहिजे. Third one, addition of matrices. Addition of matrices. Here is always order same. ऍडिशन ऑफ मॅट्रिसेस मध्ये सुद्धा काय पाहिजे, ऑर्डर इज सेम. एक्झाम्पल, इफ A equal to 3 4 6 7 3 4 6 7 and B equal to 1 5 3 2. Find A plus B. Therefore A plus B equal to, what is the A? 3 4 6 7. What is the B? 1 5 3 2. म्हणजे काय करायचंय, आपल्याला जर त्यांनी ऍडिशन विचारली तर काय करायचंय, A plus B equal to ऍज इट मॅट्रिक्स लिहायचा, A मॅट्रिक्स लिहायचा प्लस B मॅट्रिक्स लिहायचा, दोघांची ऍडिशन करायची. आता करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट प्लस करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट. How to add this corresponding element plus corresponding element? 3 plus 1 that is 4, 4 plus 5 that is 9, 6 plus 3 that is 9, 7 plus 2 that is 9. आपल्याला काय करायचंय, corresponding element plus corresponding element. Here is corresponding element plus corresponding element. Here is corresponding element plus corresponding element. Second example, if A equal to 3 4 6 7, B equal to 1 3 2 4. Find A plus B. Its solution. Therefore A plus B equal to, direct A matrix लिहायचा, B matrix लिहायचा. It is very simple concept. 3 4 6 7 plus 1 3 2 4. It is a very simple matrix. You add this directly. 3 plus 1 that is 4, 4 plus 3 that is 7, 6 plus 2 that is 8, 7 plus 4 that is 11. Corresponding element plus corresponding element. म्हणजे या मॅट्रिक्सचा करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट घ्यायचा, ह्या मॅट्रिक्सचा करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट घ्यायचा. 3 plus 1 that is 4, 4 plus 3 that is 7, 6 plus 2 that is 8 and 7 plus 4 that is 11. Therefore A plus B equal to किती आलं, 4 7 8 11. 4 7 8 11. This is final answer for addition. Addition of matrices and subtraction of matrices is very simple. Addition, corresponding element plus corresponding element. In addition, subtraction and equality of matrices, order is same, always order is same. Next, subtraction of matrix. Example first, if A equal to 3 minus 2 1 4, B equal to 1 3 2 1. Find A minus B. Find A minus B. Its solution, A minus B equal to, what is the value of A? 3 minus 2 1 4. What is the value of B? 1 3 2 1. Here is order same. Matrices A and B order is same. Equal to corresponding element minus corresponding element. 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 1 minus 2 4 minus 1, like this. 3 minus 1 2, minus 2 minus 3 that is minus 5, 1 minus 2 that is minus 1, 4 minus 1 that is 3. Therefore A minus B. A minus, here is minus 2 minus 3 that is minus 5. Second example, if A equal to minus 5 minus 6 1 3, B equal to 1 2 4 5. Find A minus B. Here A is given minus 5 minus 6 1 3. B is given 1 2 4 5. 1 2 4 5. Therefore, A minus B equal to, what is the value of A? Minus 5 minus 6 1 3 minus 1 2 4 5 equal to direct minus 5 minus 1 minus 6 minus 2 1 minus 4 3 minus 5. With the calculation, simple calculation, minus 6 minus 8 minus 3 minus 2. Here is A minus B. A minus B. In algebra of matrices, equality of matrices, addition of matrices and subtraction of matrices, ह्या वेळेस काय पाहिजे, त्याची ऑर्डर सेम पाहिजे, सारखी ऑर्डर पाहिजे. ऑर्डर काय पाहिजे, सेम पाहिजे. इट मे बी 2 by 2 A, then B is 2 by 2. A is 3 by 3, also B is 3 by 3. Example third, if A equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, B equal to 1 6 7 5 3 2 6 2 1. Find A minus B. Here its solution. This is a 3 by 3 matrix. A ची order 3 by 3A, B ची order 3 by 3A. We calculate A minus B. Here A equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. B equal to 1 6 7 5 3 2 6 2 1. Calculate this A minus B. Here, therefore, A minus B. What is the value of A? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 minus given matrix 1 6 7 5 3 2 6 2 1 5 3 2. Subtract this. Here is direct subtraction. 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 6 minus 4, 3 minus 7 minus 4, 4 minus 5 minus 1, 5 minus 3 2, 6 minus 2 4, 7 minus 6 1, 8 minus 2 6, 9 minus 1 8. Therefore, this is the final answer for A minus B equal to 0 minus 4 minus 4 minus 1 2 4 1 6 8. This is the final answer for A minus B. We will stop here.